The Electricar DV4 is a 4-ton electric dustcart used by the city of Birmingham, England, between 1938 and 1971. The DV4 was developed as the result of a collaboration between the Birmingham Salvage Department and Electricars based on the Salvage Department's experience with its previous electric vehicles. They were replaced by diesel-powered designs, with one surviving in the collection of Birmingham museums. The Electricar DV4 was a 2-axle design weighing 4 long tons 2 CWT1QR when empty. It ran off 80 volts provided by 40 cells. Rubbish would be loaded in from the side and would be emptied by tipping the body using a hydraulic ram. It had the capacity to hold up to 12 cubic yards of refuse. The electricity used to charge the DV4 was provided by the incinerators it took the waste to. 72 DV4s were ordered, and the first was delivered to the Salvage Department on 1 May 1938. 34 had been delivered by the start of the Second World War. Production continued but was disrupted by the war and halted entirely in 1942. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.